Looking for the best music software? Today, we're comparing Cubase 15 and Studio 17 to help you pick the right one. Cubase 15 just dropped with some serious upgrades. The expression maps system got a total redesign, making it way easier to control virtual instruments. You also get a new pattern sequencer for creating melodies, 6 new modulators, and AI-powered stem separation. That lets you pull vocals, drums, and bass from any track. There's also OmniVocal, a vocal synth from Yamaha that creates singing voices from scratch. Plus, new effects like Ultra Shaper and Pitch Shifter. Cubase Pro 15 costs $580, Artist is $330, and Element is $100. Studio 17 brings AI stem separation too, plus direct splice integration so you can browse samples without leaving your DAW. The launcher feature lets you record and test arrangements on the fly. You get Deep Flight 1, a new synth for ambient sounds, and Global Transpose to change your entire song's key with one click. Tempo detection works on any studio, and Impact Editor integration makes drum editing super fast. Studio One Pro 7 costs $200 with 1 year of updates included, or $180 per year with a Pro Plus plan. For workflow, Studio One wins with its drag-and-drop interface that feels modern and fast. Cubase is more traditional but offers deeper features. Cubase has way more plugins and tools out of the box, while Studio One keeps things simpler. For performance, Studio One uses less CPU, but Cubase handles complex projects better with more stability. Both are excellent for MIDI and audio editing at a professional level. If you want maximum features and deep control, go with Cubase. If you prefer speed and modern workflow at a better price, choose Studio One. Both will make amazing music. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.